What's up, you guys? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back at it again with another Valentine's Day look. This one is a smoky eye. It is super easy for my girls who don't know how to do all that crepe kitty stuff I did in my first Valentine's Day look. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go check it out. But first, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I usually don't show me doing my eyebrows on camera, but today I just decided to show you guys, and I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Chocolate. So I'm just going to let you guys watch that real quick, and then we're going to jump into the eyeshadow. To prime my eyelids for this look, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Most High Use Concealer in the shade Mocha, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids and then blend this out. Today I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palette, and I'm going to take that brown shade and pack it all over my lid and into my crease. After I've packed on the shadow, I'm going to use the same brush to blend out the shadow and make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go in with this deeper brown shade, and I'm going to pack this on to the outer ends of my eyelid. And this is what's going to give us that smoky look. Now I'm going back in with that first shade we used to deepen it up a little bit more and to blend these two shades together. I'm going to go in with this orange shadow, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade to blend these two colors into my brow bone. And that is about it for this eye look. Very simple and easy. Now we're going to jump into the face, and I'm going to start priming with my Milk Makeup Hydrogrip primer. This is the only primer I ever use, and today I reached for my Nars foundation. And I went in with another pump of foundation because one pump just wasn't doing it for me today. I really wanted a full coverage look, so that's what I did. Now I'm using the same Too Faced concealer I used to prime my eyes, and I'm putting this in all of my highlight spots under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, above my lip, and on my chin. Now I'm taking my damp beauty blender to blend everything out, and I blend out the edges of my under eye concealer first, and then I go in and blend everything else out. Now I'm going to set everywhere I highlighted with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And this is my favorite setting powder. It is the only one that I use. If you guys want me to try out any new setting powders, please let me know down below. I really want to try a new one because I've been addicted to this one since I could remember. Now I'm going to be bronzing with a reddish brown eyeshadow, and I love using eyeshadows as contour and bronzer because it just works well and it blends so easily. I'm going to be using the Morphe setting spray to set my face, and I like going in with my highlighter when my face is a little bit wet, so I'm using my Nars highlighter in St. Barths. This is also my favorite highlighter. I don't use any other highlighter. So for today's lip, I'm going to be lining with a brown lip liner, and as you guys know, we are doing a bold red lip. I'm going to be using Nars in the shade Starwoman, and I absolutely love this red lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick and it dries down matte, but it's not dehydrating, if that makes any sense. It's still very moisturizing on the lips. My lips didn't feel like it was cracking, it just felt very smooth. So I'm just cleaning up the edges of that lipstick, and I'm just going to go over again with my brown lip liner to blend everything in. So you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my 2 Valentine's Day looks. If you did, make sure you leave a comment down below and tell me which look was your favorite. Also follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the post notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.